Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video giving you some tips and maintenance reminders so you can keep your Kangen water machine for your entire life. There's 4 main tips that I'm going to share with you guys today. First one is cleaning your machine. When you're cleaning your machine, you want to make sure you are cleaning your machine every 2 weeks using the Enagic citric acid tub, which you can get on the enagic.com website for about $20 to $25. You want to be doing this every 2 weeks because it's going to clean off all of the calcium buildup off the hoses, out of the machine, and off the plates. And this is going to make sure that all the properties of the water, the alkalinity, the ORP, and the hydrogen content of the water are always at the highest values, and that's very important. Number 2, run beauty water every day. So along with cleaning your machine every 2 weeks, you want to run your beauty water every day for about 20 to 30 seconds. This switches the polarity of the plates and also helps with emitting some of that calcium buildup. Number 3, replacing your filter. So you'll notice that your Kangen water machine tells you when you should replace your filter. But before replacing the filter, when it tells you to, first put some chlorine drops into your water. If it turns clear, it's not yet ready to replace your filter. And if it turns yellow, it's time to replace your filter. You can get these chlorine drops on enagic.com website for $5. Number 4, making 11.5 and 2.5. So when you're making your 11.5 and 2.5 waters from your Kangen water machine, you want to make sure that you did all the first steps in this video. 1, cleaning your machine. 2, making sure you're running your beauty water. And 3, making sure you have a good filter. Next, you want to make sure that you have an electrolysis enhancer fluid inside your machine. This is for your 2.5 strong acid water and making sure it has disinfecting properties. The flow rate of the machine is very important when you're making your 11.5 and 2.5. As you start, you want to have a full flow rate coming out of your machine for the first 15 seconds or so. After that, you want to slow down the flow rate before placing each of your nozzles into your containers. When storing your 2.5 and 11.5 waters, you want to make sure that they are in dark containers and either underneath your sink or stored away somewhere for about 1 to 3 days before the properties reach the levels in order to disinfect and clean. And these waters will last about 2 to 3 weeks. To test the properties of the 11.5 and 2.5 waters, use oil and a pH ORP meter. You want to use the oil to test the emulsification properties of the 11.5 water, and if it emulsifies the oil, then the 11.5 is good to go. And you want to use the ORP meter to test the ORP, and if it has a positive 1000 or higher, and then a 2.5 pH or lower, your strong acid water is good to go as well. I hope you guys found this short video helpful so you can keep your Kangen water machine for your entire life.